What's up guys, Earl here for Tech, and Cherry Mobile earlier launched its latest affordable smartphone packed with 5G connectivity, and one of them is the Aqua SV 5G. For something priced under 12,000 pesos, it packs a 6.6-inch AMOLED curved edge display with a 90Hz refresh rate and MediaTek Dimensity 810 chipset. Fortunately, we got our hands on one, so without any further ado, let's go ahead and check it out. The box contains the usual: the phone itself, a SIM ejector tool, a manual, a free jelly case, earphones, USB Type-C cable, and the charger. Now, one of the things that caught our attention is how premium the Aqua SV is, as it is not what you usually see in smartphone in the same price range. You'll immediately notice the large 6.6-inch AMOLED screen with curved edges. It's immersive with thin bezels and vibrant and punchy colors. Found on the upper left are the dual front cameras consisting of a 16-megapixel main and 2-megapixel tap. It also has 90Hz refresh rate and is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass. Design-wise, it is impressive. It has a sleek metallic frame that makes the device feel like it's thin, even though it measures at 8.8mm thick. It's tall but narrow, so it's easy to grip, although you'll definitely need your other hand to reach the top part of the screen. The back panel looks luxurious with its faux leather material. It feels nice and doesn't attract fingerprint smudges, but if you want to protect it from drops, there's a clear jelly case included in the package. On the right, we have the power/lock button in red and volume buttons. They are solid and clicky, and we like that they are placed near the middle of the frame for easy reach. Up top, there's the secondary microphone and the earpiece. Down at the bottom, we have the card tray for 2 nano-size SIM cards and the main microphone, USB port, and the loudspeaker. Flipping on its back, you will see the protruding camera module that houses the quad cameras consisting of the 64-megapixel main, 5-megapixel ultra-wide, 2-megapixel depth, and 2-megapixel macro. Check out the sample shots that we got so far. Powering the Cherry Mobile Aqua SV 5G is a MediaTek Dimensity 810 chipset with Mali G57 GPU, 8GB of RAM, 128GB of internal storage, Android 11, and 4,200 mAh battery with 30W fast charging. The Aqua SV 5G is definitely looking good for a smartphone priced at 11,999 pesos. We'll know more about its performance in our full review, so stay tuned for that. And that's it for this video, guys. What do you guys think about the Cherry Mobile Aqua SV 5G? Are you getting one for yourself? Do let us know in the comment section below, and if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Around, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.